Okay, in this video I will explain part 2 of task 3.1. Yesterday or this week you gave me some sentences with should for giving advice, and we looked at one example together. We were talking about my brother and he needs to lose weight, and you gave me some advice. Your sentences were similar to this, meaning he should do some exercise, and remember we had subject, then should, and then verb 1. He shouldn't eat fast food, so we made a negative example, and he should be more active, he should be more healthy, things like this. So I gave you 3 topics, one topic for coronavirus, the second topic was about Ramadan and feeling sleepy, and the third topic was about me and learning Arabic, inshallah. And you gave 3 sentences for each topic. Now today we're going to work on making these sentences a little bit longer. We're going to look at different ways to explain the reason, explain why we give this advice, why we think this is a good idea. So, like I said, when we write for a paragraph, for sentences, for essays, we give our ideas, in this case which should, and then we should give extra information, yani support. And we all know that when we give reasons, we use because, ashan, yumkin ashan, we'll see. So our example sentence from yesterday, he shouldn't eat fast food because it has many calories. It, yani fast food, he shouldn't eat fast food because fast food has many calories. And we know because for giving reasons. We will look at different ways to say because in this activity, in this video. In stage 1 and stage 2 we use because. When we make our essay and our paragraph bigger, we can use some different ways to do this. So, different way to say because, number 1, it's the same as we just discussed last week. The easy example, he shouldn't eat fast food because it has many calories. And then last week we did this is because, other because. He shouldn't eat fast food, full stop, new sentence. This is because it has many calories. These 2 sentences are the same. Sentence 1 is 1 sentence. Sentence 2 is 2 sentences. We can put because in the middle of the sentence. We cannot put because after full stop. I told you this last week. The reason I like sentence 2, this is because. Inshallah, in the future, when you start making sentences, you will start giving me bigger sentences, like this example here. He shouldn't eat fast food, for example, McDonald's and Burger King, because it has many calories. Now our sentence is becoming a little bit too long. We can make the sentence shorter, and we can make 2 sentences. He shouldn't eat fast food, for example, McDonald's and Burger King. Halas, break. This is because it has many calories, and many calories is bad for our health. So when we start making longer sentences, we can use this is because to break them into a little bit smaller sentence. Because sentence 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 words. This is quite long for a sentence. If it gets any longer, halas, too much. Yani we should make it a little bit smaller. This is because for making it smaller. And later today you can practice with this. The second way, it's a little bit similar. He shouldn't eat fast food because it has many calories. Again, okay. He shouldn't eat fast food because it has many calories. Okay. This is okay. The new example here, he shouldn't eat fast food. Full stop. Halas. New sentence. The reason for this is it has many calories. Or the reason for this is that it has many calories. Adi with that, adi bidun that. This is, some people say, some people don't say. But the reason for this is, baden the reason. This is another way for saying because. And again, it's just a little bit more difficult than because. It's a little bit level up from stage 2 for when we make essays, for when we make different sentences. So, full stop, space, the reason for this is, and then the reason. You shouldn't talk in class when the teacher's talking. Full stop. The reason for this is it will make your teacher angry and he will shout at you, inshallah. So the reason for this is, yani because. And same, if we make the sentences even longer, this week we can have short sentences, okay. He shouldn't eat fast food, for example, McDonald's and Burger King, because it has many calories. Halas, we're getting too long. He shouldn't eat fast food, for example, McDonald's and Burger King. Full stop. The reason for this is that it has many calories. Yani, we break the sentence into 2. And last example, example number 3. This one's a little bit strange. He shouldn't eat fast food because it has many calories. Fast food has many calories, therefore, comma, he shouldn't eat fast food, or he shouldn't eat it, yani fast food. This one we've changed the order. Should was first here, but should is last here. So this time we've moved the reason first and the advice second. Again, your teacher will be angry with you, therefore you shouldn't talk in class. So we put the reason first, and then therefore, and then the advice. Okay? This one I think might be a little bit more difficult for you. So 3 things. This is because, the reason for this is, and therefore. Just these 3 things for part 2. So inshallah, at the end of task 3.1, you will have your Microsoft Word document. You will have the 3 topics from yesterday, and you will have the 3 sentences from yesterday. today and inshallah this week. You can do today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as you like. All you need to do is add the reason to your sentence. Try to use "this is because," "the reason for this is," and "therefore." Yani with this task, I'm looking for two things. I'm looking for a short sentence with should, and I'm looking for a short reason using this. Okay? And it says at the bottom, this week, it's okay, keep your sentences small, keep your sentences easy. Inshallah, bidun, without Google this week, because last week there was, for some people, a little bit too much Google or too much Translate. So halas, this week, short sentence, simple sentence. One sentence should, but then one sentence reason. He should do some exercise, and then the reason. He shouldn't eat fast food, plus reason. He should go for a walk, plus reason. Inshallah, using all of these. Okay. I will explain this in class for you, of course, and if you have questions, you know WhatsApp and you know email, you can contact me anytime and I will help you. So this is your task for this week. Anytime this week is okay. We will put it in the portfolio. It will be task 3.1, giving advice. Okay? Good luck, and inshallah, see you soon.